There. Okay, it's recording it. Alright.
Okay. You're not even going to turn the sound on?
No, because the sound is really stupid. It's just like music to it. You don't really need the sound to view it.
Is this worse than the...
It's worse than all of them.
Ow.
Alright.
What the fuck? What is he pulling out? What is that? Seriously, what is that?
It's a screwdriver.
Oh my god. Fucking retarded. You should probably go to the doctor. Is that it?
Yep, that's pretty much it. Not as good as the reaction I thought it was going to be, but it's okay.